Today, let's master etiquette rule that nobody teaches you. I'm Elvina Pinto, and today we are here to speak about meeting etiquette, the silent rule that elevates your presence. Many professionals attend meetings, but very few stand out as polished and impactful. Let me give you an example with the abbreviation POISE. P stands for punctuality, arrive early, time shows respect. O stands for orderly prep, have notes and points ready. I, involvement, participate and do not dominate. S stands for silence technology, that is, silence your phone. And lastly, E stands for exit gracefully, end with that gratitude and clarity. So here's a quick recap where meeting presence equals that poise, punctuality, orderly prep, involvement, silence technology and exit gracefully. Meetings reveal professionalism more than resumes. You want to carry that poise in every room.